If you're planning to start a business in Maine, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Maine even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Maine? Number one, you have asset protection. That means your personal savings like car and home are generally protected if your business ever faces debt or legal issues, giving you peace of mind and financial security. Of course, you have tax flexibility because this flexibility helps you avoid double taxation that many corporations face and can save you money in the long run. And of course, you have enhanced credibility. Forming an LLC boosts your business credibility. This added trust can make it easier to win customers, secure partnerships, and of course, access funding. Now we need to choose a name for your LLC. Your business name must be unique and include the words limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or L.L.C. You want to make sure to avoid words like bank or attorney, government, or bureau unless you have the necessary professional licensing. Now, if you have a desired business name in mind, to check its availability, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Maine Secretary of State Business search page. Of course, you need to enter your desired name, and if no matching results appear, your name is available and good to go. If you are not ready to file yet, you can reserve the name for a small fee. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every LLC in Maine must have a registered agent because this is a person or a company that receives legal documents and official mail on behalf of your business. The agent must have a physical address, and must be available during normal business hours. Now, if you wanted to act as your own registered agent, you can do so provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. But if you want, and we suggest you hire a professional registered agent like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will do all the work for you. Next is, it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Certificate of Formation. You need to file a document called the Certificate of Formation within the Maine Secretary of State. Go to the website and you can file via online, which is the fastest option, or by mail, which is kind of like the slower option. Now, it will ask you to give some details like LLC name, business address, whether the LLC is member managed or manager managed. The filing fee is $175, and once approved, your LLC is officially registered in Maine. Okay, so Maine does not legally require an operating agreement, but it's highly recommended. An operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, member roles and responsibilities, profit and loss distribution, and what happens if a member leaves. Now, this document helps prevent disputes and keeps your LLC organized, especially if you have multiple members. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Before you are done, there are a few important things every Maine LLC owner should know. Okay, annual report, trade name or DBA, foreign LLCs, beneficial ownership reporting. These are going to be the key additional requirements you should keep in mind when running an LLC in Maine. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Maine. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, because this process is super simple. And let's start with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC. Of course, the cost before payment, so think of this as your checkout overview. Now, the company section is where it collects the basic details about your business, including the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, your business purpose, plus the business address. This information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now we go to the management section. This is where you define how your LLC is run. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means you hire a manager to run the business for you. If in case you don't know what management type to choose, just click the question mark button, because this helps you determine who has authority to make decisions for the LLC. And if you want to add names or members or managers, click on this button. This information is solely kept private, so you don't have to worry. Now, these are going to be some of the added services that you can choose from Northwest. Okay, so we have all of these: tax ID, S corporation, service date. Now, if you don't want all these and you prefer to handle them yourself, it's okay. You can safely skip all these. The account setup is here so that you can have an access to your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you set this up, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, and of course, view scanned mail and legal notices. And then the last section is going to be the payment tab, wherein this is where you complete your order. It provides essentially the cost and the credit or debit card details that you are going to use. And of course, the final confirmation before submission, because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Maine, which is a straightforward process when you follow the steps in order. The state offers a simple online filing system, reasonable fees, and clear compliance requirements, making it a solid choice for new and growing businesses. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC.
Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.